Okay. You see, then check out your book. So please complete the exercise because we have finished the string buffer yesterday and string buffer we have finished. And I told you to see these programs in. So first program, it is showing 244 page. It is telling to illustrate the usage of functionality of many string methods. So look at the test function. Here 3 variables are created. 3 reference variable of a string are created. String class. One is the Raman. Raman, why I say you see \U0052 is written in Unicode. \0052 is written in Unicode, which is in hexadecimal. It is 52. If we convert it to decimal, it will come some numbers. Maybe, what is that number? 80? If you 82. If you convert this number, hexadecimal number 52, it comes how much? 82. So 82 is your ASCII R. If you convert this 0041 so 0041 \U0041, if we convert it to decimal, we will get we will get 65. 65 is for A. So this is making Raman. Okay. Raman 0041 for A, 0052 for R, 004D for M, 0041 for again A, and 004E for N. So it is making Raman. Second one is Aurora, third one is Vincent Roberts. So we have 3 variables, Amansu, name 1, name 2, name 3, and we are sending them to different functions. Name 1 is sent to length of the string, which is calculating this length and showing you using the length function. Name 1 is again sent to character at index. It is showing you at 0 position and 3 position what characters are there. You can see page 244. Amansu, how many? Yes, Amansu, come here. Next one you see compare string. Compare strings, another function is the very below of this page 244. It is taking name 1 and name 2, 2 strings and compares them. Name 1 Raman is there, name 2 Aurora is there. So when we compare, we will get numbers. Okay. Name 1 dot compare to name 2, we will get some numbers. Name 2 dot compare to name 1, we will get minus number. Because name 1 is Raman and that is Aurora. So 82 minus 65. How much is difference? 17. So first time you will get 17 and second time you will get minus 17. Okay. And name 2 dot compare name 2, you will get a 0. Right? 0. So whenever you are getting 0, it is the same Whenever it is not getting 0, then different, right? And equals function is used in page 245, you see, for name 1 and name 2, which will give false. But name 2 equals function will give you true. So concatenation function is there. See, concatenation function is used first to add space to Raman. Second one, name 2 is added. So Raman Arara is coming with his space. Then you have concatenation 2 function, where we are just using the plus operator to concatenate Raman and Arara. In between we are putting some space. There is another function, occurrence of n. Okay, taking name 3. Name 3 is what? Vincent Roberts. So it is finding how many n's are there. Not how many n, sorry, occurrence index of n from the beginning where n is present, then last index of from the end where n is present, and last index of z will give you, there is no z in Vincent Roberts, so you will get -1. Right? Next is substring function is called. Substring function is called. We are passing name 3, again Vincent Roberts. We are trying to take out some string, some part of the Vincent Roberts. First 4 it is given. When it is given only one parameter, then all are coming. From 4 onwards, all are coming. Right? When you are giving 2 parameters, like the second one you see 0, page 245, last one you see, last one. 0, name1 dot length function. So from this Vincent Roberts, everything is coming. V is starting 0, and a length function will give you some the total number of characters of that Vincent Roberts. So it starts from 0 to that -1. Okay, length -1. So naturally length function, what number is giving, except that other characters are coming out. 246 page, substring 0, 2, maybe VI will come out, because Vincent, VIN 0, 1, 2 into N will not come, VI will come, 0, 1 position VI will come. Okay, you see the output here, VI arrow, right? Because in another place it is finding index of space, where space is got. From there, more 3 letters are more 3, adding more 3. So naturally arrow will come. So after space, what is there? ROB. So arrow will come. So that is coming. So when that is concatenated, both of them are concatenated and print. Concatenated function also used to concatenate VI and arrow. So VI space arrow is coming. Okay. There is a replace function also. Replace function we are sending what? Again Vincent Roberts we are sending replace character to the replace character function, that is converting first all the R to dot and then O to all the O to dot. So we are getting the output. You see, it is coming what? Vincent dot Roberts. Because there is no capital O, small o is there. So capital O is, if capital O is there, then it will be dot. Capital O is not found, so small o is not changed. Understood? Next one, last one, case conversion function. We are sending the Raman. Raman. Here, Raman is the printed in different case, first lowercase, then uppercase, then some letters found, substring found, okay, and they are added, and it is making a Raman in Raman capital R and a Raman in small, okay. So using of a substring and a lower function and two lower function to upper function and making. So all these functions are used. Now you come to this page 250. This program I told 250 you have two functions for duplicating both the in both the functions prototypes are same. All the functions have, both the functions have public static string duplicate string is int times. So prototype is very same, but inner things are different. Inner things are different. Result is equal to s, and the string implementation function, we are storing the result first in the result we are storing the s first, then the result we are adding, okay, times minus 1 times. Suppose times we are sending 100, so 99 times we are adding in a loop, okay. So a bigger sentence we are finding, okay, and we are showing that. But in string buffer, we are taking this, taking the same thing, but we are creating a string buffer object, that is again result here using the original string, and to that string we are appending and we are making also a bigger string. But difference is the first one is having, in the first one many strings are created, many objects are created, but in the second one only one, we are doing all the operation in one object, because string buffer is only one object, okay. Then come to the this program in page 251. It is telling a string is palindrome or not. See, first it is sending mom, second time it is sending to the show palindrome function dad, then a radar. So all these three will show palindromes, right? But capital MOM will not show palindrome. Capital MOM will not show palindrome. But if we disregard the case, then it can show palindrome. That's why in the palindrome function, we have two. In the show palindrome functions, we are calling two different functions. One is each palindrome function, another is each palindrome 2 function. In the each palindrome function, we are not ignoring the case. In the each palindrome 2 function, we are ignoring the case. If both are cancelled, then we will show it is not a palindrome. So that means, you see in this program 251 program, it is also asking input from you. It is also asking input from you, and you are giving a input. Okay, input stream reader, buffer reader are used, and you are sending that input to the show palindrome function. So that may give you, if you give a word, okay, that may come, the output may come either palindrome or not palindrome. Understood? Come to the page 252. Here packages are there. Package. We know that so many packages are there available in Java, and in order to use a class of a package, we'll write import statement. Yes or no? Directly you can write import. What is written here? You see, import graphics dot circle, because graphics package may have a circle class. Okay, so and we want to use the circle class, so we have to write import graphics dot circle. Then only you can create object of circle class. But if you want to use all the classes, then this statement will not work. You have to write import what? Graphics dot circle, graphics dot star. You have to write import graphics dot star, because you have to use rectangle, square, circle. You have to create the object of each class. You have to create a rectangle object, so you have to write that import graphics dot star. Understood? Okay. So that is better. But if you are sure that if you are going to use only one class, then you write its full. Okay. Import graphics dot circle. If you have the book, if you see the book, you will understand something. Those who have not seen the book, they can't understand. I think because these things I am just relating to the book. There is another important class, date class, and another calendar class. See, date class and a calendar class. Both are of the package. Both are of the package what? Util. Java.util.star. Right? Import Java.util.star. So scanner, like you are using scanner after importing Java.util.star, here you have to use also. How to create the object? See the next side. There is a program. The program name is the date play. In the date play, a function is there. In the function, you are just creating the date object. Date D is equal to new date function. And you can directly print the D. D is the reference variable of the current date. Actually, it will show you the current date. Okay. And it will not show you only the current date. It will show many things. Like October 24. Suppose today is October how much? 14. October 14. See here, see, but you see, the year will come at last. In between, what is there? Time is given. This date command, date object is having many all these things. Time will be given. EST, some Eastern Standard Time or like that. That is also there. So you will see these things. According to your configuration, when you have installed the Java, what configuration you have made, according to that it will come. should be careful. So, according to that configuration, okay, whatever it may be, the date will show you, date object will show you many things which are not useful to us. Our use, suppose we want the today's date, we want only 14 October 2015. This much. So for that it is better to use calendar. Acha, from this also you can get, from date object also you can get. Now you have known the string manipulation function, so you can find out easily, because that is a string. You can convert to the date object to a string by d dot toString function. You can store in a string and you can take out your necessary things. Okay, so that is a homework for you. Okay, store the current object, current date object in a string and find out the today's date. This is a homework for you. Write down this homework. But a very nice function, class is there, that is calendar class. Calendar class object is not created as we are doing the object. It is created in a different method. You have to write like this: calendar, okay, RB1, I am putting the RB1. RB1 dot, listen to me. RB1 dot no, RB1 equal to, actually you have to use, that is you can do the new statement for creating the calendar object. You have to use a get instance method function. Get instance method function you have to use. Where you will, this is a static function. Can you see here? Static calendar get instance function. It returns a calendar object. It returns a calendar object. So you use that. Because it is static function, you have to use the calendar class name. So you have to use calendar dot get instance function and you receive the object. Right? This calendar class also has many methods. Okay. One of the important method is the set method and another is the get method. You see the set method. Set method is a setter function. Set method is taking how many arguments? 2 arguments. One is what? One is the field value, another is the value. Both are int. What is this field value? Field value is also int. Actually, these field values, so many field values are there. They are attributes. They are attributes. They are attributes of which class? Calendar class. These field values are attributes of a calendar class. Like I can give RB1 dot set first field value I am putting calendar. I have to write a attribute calendar dot, what is that? Date. Calendar dot date, comma 14 I will put. Okay. Second one I will do calendar dot rb1 dot set. Two values I will put. Second one, tell me what to put. Calendar dot month, comma 10. So last one what I will put? rb1 dot set. Inside the function argument you have to write calendar dot year. What I will put? 15. So 3 value I have set. Now whenever required I will take them out. How I will take them out? So I will write, okay, suppose I will write is system.out.println. Okay, first thing I will print what? Yes. So I will put calendar, no rb1, calendar dot date. So I will get that one. But I have not used that get function. I have not used the get function. So I have to write that what rb1 dot get. In between I have to write calendar dot date. Okay. Plus, normally what we put? This slash you put or not? Slash. Then plus. Again I will write what? Again what I will write? rb1 dot get. In the get function I will write calendar dot month. But this month will give you, I think in 9 or something it will give you. So you have to plus 1. Okay. You see 255 page, you see that. See, whenever it is doing month, it is finding the month, it is getting the month, and plus 1 it is put. Understood? Because we have put given 10, but actually it will show you 9. Why? Because it is storing from 0 to 11, only month, but not the date. Okay. So then also you will add another thing. So if I finished here, then it will show you 14/10. Okay. You could also place here so that you would have got what? 2014, 15. Then it is telling about those many packages of Java. We have already used java.applet, java.awt. When we are using the applet, also we are using the awt. Java.io, java.lag is always used. Java.net is for network applications. The network application, the application which will use the network systems. Suppose you have many computers in different rooms and you have to exploit those things, you want to use those things, then you can use the write some programs for networking. Okay. java.net will work there. And you know also we can create our own package. Okay, on the top of every class you have to write the package name, provided your package is nothing but a folder. Okay, the folder must be there. Like here you see package graphics is written over the class circle and over the class rectangle.